Hello to you strips. Guess where am I just now? At Kelvingrove Art Gallery Museum. It's closed, but I'm still here. Sitting just saying. Because, it's London. It's my Glasgow. As you know, in my Glasgow, it's London all the time. Freaking all the time, but I mean, most of the time, most of the times that in Glasgow just, it's London. As I say, it's London in my dear Glasgow town. It doesn't matter for me, aye. When it's London, for those of you who don't know what I'm saying, London means raining. So it's Glasgow part. Uh, well, I'm sitting here, surrounded by my Glasgow, my dear green place, fucking green trees, as you can see that. I'm listening to the sounds of Glasgow, the sounds of Glasgow, I'm tasting my Glasgow. I'm tasting my Glasgow's rain. And then I'm listening to whispers of my Glasgow, and I'm listening to whispers of the River Kelvin flowing just behind those trees. And behind those trees, as you know, is the great University of Glasgow. So stunning proudly at Gilmore. But I'm here at Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum. It's the fucking, it's Peter Brown Gallery, troops. It's the first one founded in Glasgow. It's the oldest gallery and museum, art gallery and museum in Glasgow. So, because it was founded, Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum was founded in around 1888. Uh, the Glasgow exhibition funded in 1888. It was opened around 1901, so it's the oldest. It's the date year the opening suggests. So, um, but it was closed. I mean, for some refurbishment works around 2003, opened again 2006. But guess what happened in 1901? I, Lord Provost, current Lord Provost of Glasgow, right at the very opening of the Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum, he ordered gondolas for Venice. And he organized the flowing by gondola down the Kelvin. So I just went down the River Kelvin by a gondola. It was a very attraction for tourists at that time. So it was a great one. The Kelvingrove Gallery troops is built in a great Spanish Baroque style. And as you know, some people say a myth. It's a myth. It's a myth that the Kelvingrove Gallery Museum was built but just back to front. Back to front, the entrance, back to front. I mean, the main architect of the Kelvingrove Gallery Museum saw this. He just jumped at the roof. That's a myth, troops. Don't believe it. There's hundreds of Glaswegian myths. You just probably read, but I don't believe them. So I'm still sitting, watching admiring my Glasgow. So I'm just wondering, I wish I would stay in my Glasgow life. I wish I would stay in my Glasgow for longer. I don't want to fucking come back. I don't want to come back home, trips. I'd love to stay in my Glasgow. Because I feel like in Glasgow I feel right at home. I belong here. My heart belongs to Glasgow, and so is me. Let's hope that me being in Glasgow happens. I'd love to do that. Hope that my Glasgow's air. Once again, look at the great Kelvingrove. See us probably in nothing. The Glasgow genuine.